Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video. Today we'll be doing DIY gel nail designs. So let's see what it is, and yes, it's your girl Elle. Let's start off with some freshly prepped nails, all clean. And yes, this is T's nails.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to become an Aspire to Be star and join the galaxy. And also remember to follow us on our Instagram at aspire.to_be.
First things first, we applied the base coat of gel polish, and then we put that under the light UV lamp for about 1 minute to 2 minutes or 1.5. Then the second layer, which is the baby blue gel nail polish, we did about 3 coats of this, and each drying time is about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. This is the second coat of the baby blue gel nail polish. As you can see here, as the more coats being added, the color tends to pop more or have a opaque look. So since the baby blue gel nail polish is a bit transparent when we do them, that's why we do several coats. So it will give that strong, bold look once we're finished. And you'll see as we progress in the video the design that we come up with. Here's the beautiful bold baby blue color, that strong appearance that was the result of that 3 coats. This is the completed design, guys. Yes, baby blue with a hint of pink. It also has this sweetie vibes, this candy color look. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And yes, we finished it off with top coat.
Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.